What's going on, traders? Welcome to Trade with Tyler. Today we're going to be going over EDSA and the stock ticker. We'll be talking about it on the 15-minute chart here. Every one of these bars is 15 minutes. This stock, EDSA, has a share float of 3.24 million, so that is below our optimum of 30 million. That's what we're looking for. We can see this one in pre-market here, the shaded area, did pop up to $6 from about $4, so about $2 move, pull back down to about 430 before ripping up to 790. In the market hours, you can see hit a high of 790 before pulling back to 571, and then pulled up just a little bit up to the $6.30 area right above the VWAP here. And you can see we did stall there in the after hours, and you can see in the after hours here we're sitting above the VWAP right at $6.30. So not much action on the after hours. We pretty much just range inside this structure here. So let's go ahead and talk about it really quick. I didn't see any specific fundamentals on this stock. If I'm wrong, go ahead and correct me in the comments below. I really appreciate that. We're going to go ahead and just go over the technicals today. We got our resistance up here at 790, so we'll go ahead and put our resistance level right there at 790. We got our support, main support here at 571, and then we're going to go ahead and put our median here at about 687. So very simple. Here's our structure. Our range is from 790 to 571, so pretty big range, over $2. So definitely a volatile stock. What I'm going to be looking for tomorrow, personally, I'm going to be watching this one tomorrow. I'm not even going to get interested in this again until I see until I see one thing happen. I want to see, obviously, we need to break back above the 688. But even if it does that, I'm not interested. The next thing that needs to happen is we need to see a break above this 790, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set my alert here, just like I'm going to do it right now in front of you guys. What I do is I set an alert here at 790. That way when it passes, this way I don't have to watch the stock 24/7. This way if it passes tomorrow, the next day, or whatever the case may be, I'll know exactly and I'll be ready for this continuation play whenever it does happen. This way you don't have to guess and you don't have to watch it 24/7. And if you're wondering what trading platform I use the link in the description. You can sign up and use this trading platform for free. So the next thing I want to see tomorrow or whenever we pass 790, once that alert goes off, then I'm watching the stock. The next thing I'm waiting for is, obviously, I don't just hop in just because it passed 790, right? We need double confirmation. We need that triple confirmation, right? So once our alert goes off, it passes 790. Whenever that happens, whenever that momentum returns, kicks back in, we are above the VWAP here still, so there is still good hope. Most buyers are still above water. So again, what we want to see is a break above 790, have our alert, then we're watching. I'm not just gonna hop in the trade. What I want to see is it pull back, right? I want to see it pull back because I don't want to hop in the trade and then I get in here and then it comes back down and then just comes back down here, right? And then you're out, money. You don't want to do that. Always try to play with house money, not your money. So what we want to see, again, sorry for repeating, but we want to see that break above 790. We want to see it pull back, and we want to see it stabilize on 790. Okay, we want to see it stabilize, and we want to see that bullish momentum return. We want to be watching level 2. We want to see those strong reversal candles bullish, right? What we don't want to see is we don't want to see it go back down here. If we see it break back down, then we don't get interested again until it breaks back up above 790, right? So make sure you watch and wait to make sure that it's for sure not going back down below 790. That the more you can confirm that, the better chance that you'll have to make a successful trade. So what I personally do is once I see that momentum kick back in and I see no more sellers, and then I have all my confluence factors going on, I'm watching level 2, I see big buy going in, then what I do is I go ahead and I put an order here right above that pullback point, wherever that is. For this example, we'll just say it was here. That way when that momentum returns and it pushes back above that pullback point, that momentum from the buyers and all the people holding stock see it past that, then that euphoria kicks in and I ride that wave up to this next resistance up here at 920. So that's what I'm going to be looking for. Again, the main level we want to watch out for is 790. That'll be the key. And once we see us break above, we want to see that retest. Once we see that stabilization, then we really are getting interested, remember? And then once we have full confidence that we're kicking back in, have your order set here. Don't enter, but have an order set here. I mean, obviously do whatever you want. This isn't financial advice. This is just education. In the end, do whatever you want. But for me, I put a stop. I put my order here already ready to go. That way, when the momentum kicks in, I don't have to like try to buy it up here. You know, you don't want to be buying up here. You want to get the best entry you possibly can. That way, you're playing with house money, not your money, right? Because you always want to protect your capital, protect your product, and use proper money management so you're always on top. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, click that like button and subscribe for more videos just like this one. Hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you. Tyler out.